power, and the runway lets go. This is a complete takeoff and climb out from the pilot's eyes.
Gentle pull on the yoke, and the wheels leave the earth.
Watch the centerline rush under the nose faster and faster as the airplane accelerates. Pilot holds it straight, waiting for flying speed. The moment the wings are ready to lift. There it is. The rumble of the wheels stops, and suddenly it's smooth. We're airborne.
Now we climb. The airplane settles into a steady pitch, the fields shrink below, and the sky opens up ahead.
Okay guys, ready? Jazan, you ready? Video ready? Yep.
Pilot sets the climb attitude, holding the nose at just the right angle to gain altitude safely.
What do you mean what's wrong? It's just gonna turn, Jazan. We're literally turning. Okay, everything is good.
Below us, the airport shrinks away. Roads, rooftops, and fields open up in every direction. Small airplane like this climbs several hundred feet every minute, quickly trading runway for a whole new view. And higher, into clear air. Next, we level off above the fields. Aviation Lab. Dream, learn, fly.